Hey there, curious minds. Ever wondered what would happen if our planet had double the oxygen? Stick around because the answers will blow your mind. From colossal insects to wildfires that spread like crazy, let's dive into a world with twice the oxygen. Welcome back to Facts Galaxy. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on fascinating facts like these. Today we're exploring an intriguing hypothetical. What if the Earth's oxygen levels doubled? Let's break down the incredible, sometimes terrifying consequences of such a change. Giant insects. First up, let's talk about insects. You might want to sit down for this one. In a world with double the oxygen, we'd likely see gigantic insects. Why? Well, insects rely on a process called diffusion to get oxygen to their cells. Higher oxygen levels would allow them to grow much larger. Imagine dragonflies with wingspans of up to 3 feet or beetles the size of small dogs. Supercharged human abilities. Humans wouldn't be left out of the fun. With more oxygen, our muscles would work more efficiently. Athletes might perform feats that seem superhuman by today's standards. Endurance and stamina could skyrocket, making running marathons or swimming long distances a lot easier. However, this comes with a catch. The downside is that our bodies might also age faster due to increased oxidative stress. Wildfires galore. But it's not all good news. Double the oxygen means double the risk for wildfires. Oxygen is a key ingredient in combustion, and with more of it in the atmosphere, fires would start more easily and burn hotter and faster. Entire forests could go up in flames in the blink of an eye, causing widespread destruction and endangering countless species. Marine life impact. The oceans would experience dramatic changes too. Marine life could be both positively and negatively affected. On the one hand, higher oxygen levels might support larger populations of some fish and marine mammals. On the other hand, it could also lead to harmful algal blooms, which deplete the oxygen and create dead zones where most marine life can't survive. Health and environment. For humans, the air quality might seem fresher, but it's not all beneficial. Elevated oxygen levels can be toxic over long periods. People might experience respiratory issues or other health problems. The balance of gases in our atmosphere is crucial for life as we know it. And tampering with this balance could have unpredictable and potentially catastrophic effects. Conclusion. So, there you have it. While doubling the Earth's oxygen might sound like a cool idea, the reality is a mixed bag of larger-than-life creatures, enhanced human abilities, rampant wildfires, and significant environmental shifts. It's a fascinating hypothetical that reminds us just how delicate the balance of life on Earth really is. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.